Once again, a very warm welcome to the valedictory function of the International Conference. To share I would request the participants to please share their experience and their journey of learning for the past 5 tracks. And first of all, I would like to request Ms. Sheetal Devlekar from Paher University, Udaipur. Ms. Sheetal, can you please turn on your camera? We would love to hear from you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pranati ma'am, and especially Sunila ma'am for giving this platform to the students, research students with the Amity University for presenting their ongoing research work. Especially, it was a wonderful sessions to attend the neuroscience related I can say updates on the current scenario. So a special thanks to all technical presenters and the panelists, and a special thanks to Sunila ma'am and Amity University for giving us this platform. And all sessions were very much authorized and organized very well and sound with updated knowledge on the neuroscience. Special thanks to Amity University once again. Thank you.
Thank you, Sheetal.
Thank you, Sheetal. I suppose she is facing some technical issue. Thank you, Ms. Sheetal. May I please request Dr. Shivani Desai, Department of Pharmacology and Pharmacy Practice from D.Y. Patil Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research to please share her experience. Ma'am, please.
Yeah, hello everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
Thank you, Pranati ma'am. Thank you so much for organizing this conference, and neuroscience is actually an upcoming field, and a lot of work is going on in this area. So it was a very good idea and a very highly intellectual conference this was. And we really have gained a lot of good inputs from this. So thank you so much for organizing. Thank you, Sunila ma'am. Thank you so much.
Most welcome, and we are happy that you are happy.
Yeah, okay, thanks. Yeah.
Thank you for your participation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for sharing your experience, because this makes us understand how to improve, where to improve, and what all we did. Was that right or wrong? Thank you so much, Shivani ma'am. May I now request research scholar from Amity Institute of Biotechnology, Ms. Payal Trivedi, to please share her experience. Payal, can you please turn on your camera? Ms. Payal Trivedi. She is there. We cannot see you. Okay, moving ahead, may I request Ms. Ridhima Pandey, our very own PharmD third-year student from Amity Institute of Pharmacy, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow campus. Ridhima, can you please share your experience?
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ridhima, and I'm from PharmD second year. And I would like to share my experience. The conference was one of the most interesting topics, that is emerging challenges and advances in neuroscience. As we all know that neuroscience is one of the most fascinating and demanding field of study. I do feel very fortunate and privileged to be able to attend this conference and hear such brilliant and genius speakers. Every moment of the conference was so insightful that there were times when I need to pick pen and paper to jot down the points which were being discussed. One of the most interesting discussion was held on the topic post-COVID mental health challenges by respected Professor Dr. S.K. Kulkarni sir. We all saw how petrifying the pandemic can be, and to all those who actually made it after the COVID, after being COVID positive, the journey wasn't easy, as post-COVID symptoms were very inconvenient. Mostly people were suffering from the post-COVID symptoms, talked about their physical discomfort, whereas mental health took a backseat. Through this conference, we were able to know about...
Ridhima. Ridhima, sorry to interrupt. It would be lovely if you please turn on your camera.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Thank you.
Am I visible?
Yes, yes, you are.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so I was saying that as we know that people were suffering through COVID, and mostly everyone in post-COVID symptoms, everyone was talking about how physical discomfort they were suffering through. No one was ready to talk about how mental health was disturbed. And through this conference, we got to know about mental health and how COVID affected people's mental health and how it was important to talk about it. And I'm really grateful and thankful for everyone to organize this and for everyone.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Ridhima.
so
Thank you. Yeah.
I'm really thankful for everyone for organizing this conference, and it definitely was very interesting. And I have a lot of points noted down, which I'm sure I'm going to refer whenever I study about neuroscience more.
Thank you, Ridhima, for
So
that
thank you so much,
feedback.
ma'am.
We are really happy to know that our undergraduate students were not bored with the technicalities.
Not at all, ma'am.
Because in second year, you are just getting introduced to the concept. And we are really happy that we took this decision of making all of you a part of this conference. Thank you for that feedback.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Ridhima. I would again request Payal, are you available to please, Ms. Payal Trivedi, to please share your feedback?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please. We would love to hear from you too. Please put on your camera.
Very good evening to all. Myself, Payal Trivedi, and I'm a research scholar. Sorry, ma'am, there is some technical issue actually.
Not an issue. Please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. And I really want to thank all the organizers and respected Sunila ma'am for giving me such opportunity to be a part of this conference, this reputed conference, giving me opportunity to present my work here. And I really learned a lot from this conference. The topic of neurosciences is really very informative for me because for my work, my research work is also on autism spectrum disorder. So I really learned a lot from the different topics which all the other participants have presented, and all the speakers are very learned and experienced, and I really learned a lot from them. So I'm really very grateful to you, ma'am, and to all the organizers for giving me such a nice opportunity, and I'm really happy to be a part of this conference. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Payal, for your feedback, and I'm happy to know that this conference has added to your knowledge. All the best for your future research and for your PhD.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, participants, for sharing your inputs, because this makes us encouraged and work ahead. And before announcing the winners of the oral presentation, for which each participant even is eager to hear about who the winner stands, may I please request or take the honor or privilege to invite Professor Dr. Sunila Dhaneshwar ma'am, convener of the event, Director, Amity Institute of Pharmacy, Deputy Dean Research, Science and Technology, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow campus, and Head, Directorate of Research and Publications. Ma'am, please, I request you to please give an overview of the two-day conference. Ma'am, please.
Thank you, Pranati. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So a very good evening to everyone who are present for this valedictory function, the last day of the conference. I have been already introduced twice by Pranati. So as the convener of this conference, it is my pleasure to present before you the overview of the 2 days of extensive, fruitful scientific deliberation. Today we have come to the end of this conference, which was organized for you by Amity Institute of Pharmacy under the aegis of Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow campus on a virtual mode on the theme of emerging challenges and advances in neuroscience during 21st and 22nd, that is today. The conference mainly focused on the niche area of neuroscience, which is not touched upon very often. The conference was specially intended to explore the zones of multidisciplinary alliance among the research communities, not only of pharmacy, but also from life sciences, psychology, medicine. And all these fraternities were brought together with a common goal of understanding the underlying mechanisms, the pathophysiology, novel targets, and discovering effective treatments for the widest spectrum of neuronal diseases. With the blessings of our Honorable Founder President, Honorable Chancellor, Honorable Chairman, the conference was inaugurated virtually on 21st, that is yesterday, at the hands of Professor Dr. S.K. Kulkarni, the chief guest and keynote speaker, the Professor Emeritus, University Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Punjab University, Chandigarh, our own beloved Honorable Vice Chancellor, Madam, Professor Dr. Balvinder Shukla, then our Pro-Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Sunil Dhaneshwar, Dean Research, Professor Dr. Kamar Rahman, who all graciously joined us, and Dr. Rahman especially joined us from Washington, USA to inaugurate this conference. After the preamble that I presented before you, Dr. Rahman addressed the audience and emphasized on the importance of research at the interface of neuroscience and artificial intelligence. Our Pro-VC, Dr. Sunil Dhaneshwar, discussed the importance of this program in providing the platform for collaborative and networking opportunities across research societies in neuroscience for developing advances in the basic research in the field to translate it to benefit the society. Our Vice Chancellor, Professor Balvinder Shukla, Madam, she appreciated the efforts of the convener and the organizing committee members of the event for organizing this huge event. And she also added that she foresees a considerable hastening of understanding of the nervous system, the CNS disorders, and the therapeutic approaches that will be imbibed in the attendees through this conference, and will drive newer ideas for expansion of new therapeutic strategies to treat CNS disorders in the coming years. Following that, the e-abstract book of the conference was released virtually. The chief guest and keynote speaker, Professor Dr. S.K. Kulkarni, sir, discussed elaborately on the topic of post-COVID mental health challenges, wherein he deliberated on how COVID-19 infection is greatly affecting the brain function, and also raised a very important issue of COVID-19 related suicides, that is CRS, the rise of fearodemic. And as we have seen in the feedback of the participants, that his talk was very, very well received by the participants. Professor Sairam Krishnamurthy, Department of Pharmaceutical Engineering and Technology, IIT BHU, spoke on disease-modifying approach to treat Parkinson's disease, wherein he discussed the relationship between the lysosomes and Parkinson's disease and how this new link can be explored further to manage Parkinson's disease. He also elaborated on GCase lysosome sulfa-synuclein pathway as an important target to manage Parkinson's disease. Dr. Richie Williamson, Director of Research, Faculty of Life Sciences, University of Bradford, UK, joined us from Bradford in the post-lunch session and delivered his talk on Alzheimer's research, current landscape and future opportunities, where he started with the basics of Alzheimer's, the various theories, explorable targets, and then elaborated his own research on O-GLIC-N acylation regulating the neuronal outgrowth, and cited a direct link between cell metabolism, protein O-GLIC-N acylation, flagging it as a potential pathway for the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. We appreciate his enthusiasm and his patience with which he responded to the numerous queries of not only the undergraduate students, but also the PhD scholars and faculty members. The first day deliberation ended with a talk by Professor Dr. Rajesh Kumar Goyal, Professor and Dean Faculty of Medicine, Punjabi University, Patiala, on recent research trends in epilepsy. We have seen so many talks on Alzheimer's and Parkinson's and neurodegeneration, but epilepsy is not touched upon very much. So he emphasized that epilepsy research benchmarks are based on understanding the causes of the epilepsy and their relationship with epilepsy-associated disorders. He also discussed elaborately on the advantages and disadvantages of various experimental models to be used in anti-epileptic drug screening. What I appreciated was that he also differentiated between the two parallel terms which we use unknowingly as synonyms for each other, that is anti-epileptic and anti-seizure. So he differentiated that these two terms mean different and we have to use them accordingly. The day 2 session opened up with a scintillating and interesting talk on a very, very controversial topic. When I started the topic, I was a bit, apprehensive where this talk is going to go and whether it is going to create any controversy. But he very, very lucidly, Dr. Hassan Tohid, TEDx speaker and neuroscientist and founder, CEO, California Institute of Behavioral Neurosciences and Psychology, USA, he elaborated many famous cases of demonic possession, such as the Anneliese Michel, and established the scientific outlook to these cases, discussing the involvement of neurotransmitters in such disorders. He very lucidly explained the scientific basis of the so-called demonic possession by discussing in details the symptomology, the pathogenesis of the dissociative identity disorder or DID and schizophrenia. And what was the take home for everyone was that he demystified the superstitions which are surrounding the DID or the dissociative identity disorder. Dr. Shubha Shukla, scientist, Division of Neuroscience and Aging Biology, CSIR CDRI, Lucknow, delivered her talk on mechanistic understanding of neurodegeneration and regeneration in brain diseases, wherein she clearly differentiated the two important mechanistic approaches in the field of neuroscience. She also highlighted on the different biomarkers regulating these pathways and suggested how to prevent the age-related neurodegeneration. Oral presentation session was very, very interesting. I personally visited all the 4 tracks, the track A, pharmaceutics, track B, pharmaceutical chemistry, track C, pharmacology, and track D, pharmacognosy and biotechnology, which were parallelly organized on MS Teams during 1 to 4 p.m. And this particular endeavor of ours was aimed at providing the meaningful platform for the young researcher. And we deliberately did not keep the poster presentation, but the oral presentation, because we believe that this kind of exposure not only helps in upgrading the presentation skills of our students and also helps them in making meaningful presentations, and also most importantly, how to crisply present your work in the given limited time. I think that is what all of you must have learned, that what to speak and what not to speak. So you must have attended the presentations of other participants, and I am very sure that you must have learned a lot by looking at others' presentations and the way they have presented, as well as the way they have defended their work. So a lot of things to learn from such sessions. I'm happy to tell you that more than 60 students and faculty pan-India and abroad presented their research in these sessions. The abstract book inaugurated on first day of the conference. It contains the selected abstracts of all these presentations, and the abstract book will be shared with you shortly and on your mail ID. Now, in order to maintain the transparency and unbiased evaluation of the whole oral presentation session, we had invited a team of 4 judges from various pharmacy institutes, the premier pharmacy institutes, who evaluated the presentation. We are thankful to Professor Dr. Neeraj Mishra, Professor of Pharmaceutics, Amity Institute of Pharmacy, Amity University, Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior, who judged the pharmaceutics session. Dr. Sambit Kumar Parida, Director, State Vishwambar Nath Institute of Pharmacy, Barabanki, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, who evaluated the pharmaceutical chemistry presentation. Dr. Sanjita Das, Professor and HOD Pharmacology from Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology, Pharmacy Institute, Greater Noida, who judged the pharmacology session. And lastly, Dr. Alok Shukla from our own institute, who graciously accepted the invitation at the 11th hour, because we deliberately did not invite our own faculty members to judge this presentation, because we wanted to maintain the unbiased approach. But at the 11th hour, one of the judges could not join and facing a lot of technical difficulties. So Dr. Alok Shukla, we had to rope in to judge the cognosy and biotechnology session. The judging criteria was research content, presentation skills, scientific knowledge, how you have defended your work, and time management. The results will be announced in this valedictory function after I'm through with my overview, and the best presentations will be awarded with cash prizes. From each track, we are announcing 1 winner and 1 runner. So in all, we are declaring 4 winners and 4 runners from the 4 tracks. The winners of each track will be given a cash prize of rupees 2,000, and the runners up will be awarded with a cash prize of rupees 1,000 plus certificates. I'm delighted to share with you that this conference was attended by a rollover of 300 plus delegates pan-India and abroad in the last 2 days. And we were very thankful to some of the delegates who joined us from UK and from other countries also. It has always been our endeavor at Amity Institute of Pharmacy to conceive and organize quality events for the scientific, professional, and academic development of the students and the faculty. Every year, we organize at least 1 conference, 1 symposium, number of webinars, professional development programs for the students, and faculty development programs, and numerous guest lectures, with the purpose of updating and upgrading the knowledge of students and faculty. And most of our programs are open for all. We don't believe in internal policy. So most of our programs, we keep open for everyone. Me, along with my dedicated organizing secretaries, Dr. Lucy Mahapatra, Dr. Rahul Kumar Maurya, the members of scientific and organizing committees, the student volunteers, all of us have worked very hard, tirelessly, for bringing so many eminent speakers to you on one platform, and listening to them and their vast experience was a treasurable and motivating treat for all of us. I hope that you enjoyed this conference as much as we enjoyed putting it up for you. I thank all the participants for their overwhelming participation all the speakers for sharing their research and experience and enthralling and inspiring us with their knowledge and wisdom. Hope to see you all in our next scientific endeavor with the same enthusiasm. Thank you, and over to you for declaration of the very much awaited results. Over to you, Pranati. Thank you.
Thank you
everyone.
so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving the overview, and already you have declared the details about the winners. The first, I will just repeat, the winners will receive a cash prize of ₹2,000 and a certificate, and the runner-ups will receive a cash prize of ₹1,000 and a certificate. So the runner-up for track A is Mr. Siraj Alam Siddiqui of Amity University, Uttar Pradesh. I request Yasir sir to please put the slides on the slideshow mode.
Congratulations, Siraj. Oh, this
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am.
So,
please hold on, Yasir. Otherwise, there will be confusion.
yes.
Please give some time in between before the next announcement.
Moving on to the winner of track A. The winner of track A is Ms. Smita Kakkar of Amity's Institute of Pharmacy, Nasik. Congratulations.
It is MET, not Amity. MET.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Smita.
Thank you.
Moving ahead to
Just a
the
minute,
track.
Pranati. Just a minute,
Yes.
Pranati. Dr. Yasir,
Yes.
by any chance, have you arranged the certificates, winner first and runner afterwards? We will announce accordingly. Please tell us. Otherwise, you know what happens. Winner is their certificate and she's announcing runner.
Yes, ma'am. Please announce first the winner and then the
Sure,
runner.
sure,
Okay,
sir. We'll
fine.
know that way. No
Yeah.
issues. So the winner of track B is Ms. Dimple S. Lalchandani of National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Guwahati. Congratulations, Ms. Dimple.
I request others to please mute yourself. We are unable to hear. There is background noise coming. Can you please repeat?
I repeat, the winner of track B is Ms. Dimple S. Lalchandani of National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Guwahati. Congratulations, ma'am. The runner-up of track B is Ms. Shruti Srivastav of Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow.
Congratulations, Shruti.
Congratulations to the winners of track B. Moving ahead to track C. The winner of track C is Ms. Khushbu Gaur of Amity University, Uttar Pradesh. Sorry, I take my words back. The runner-up is Ms. Khushbu Gaur and the winner for track C is Ms. Supriya Roy of Amity University, Uttar Pradesh.
I think you should repeat. Please don't confuse like this.
Sorry.
Winner is first. Show the winner certificate.
Yes,
We
sir.
are
I'm
deciding
I'm
now.
starting with the winners. The winner for track C, pharmacology, is Ms. Supriya Roy from Amity Institute of Pharmacy, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh. Can we have her certificate, please? Ms. Supriya Roy. Congratulations. Moving forward to the runner-up of track C is Ms. Khushbu Gaur from Amity University, Uttar Pradesh. Congratulations, Ms. Khushbu.
Congratulations, Khushbu.
The winner of track D. So we are moving ahead to track D, and I'm announcing the name of the winner. The winner of track D is Miss Padakanti Amruta Prabhakar of National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. Congratulations, ma'am.
Congratulations. Is she not there? Okay.
And finally, the runner-up of track D is Ms. Jyoti Nanda of Pharmacy Academy, IFTM University, Moradabad. Congratulations, ma'am.
Congratulations, Jyoti Nanda.
A heartiest congratulations to all the winners and even to all the participants. All the participants will be receiving their participation certificates on their mail, and all the winners will be receiving the same, and the cash prizes also. Thank you, Yasir sir, for sharing the screen. May I now take the privilege to request the organizing secretary of the event, Dr. Lucy Mahapatra ma'am, to please present her vote of thanks. Ma'am, please.
Hope I am audible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Pranati ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can we take a group photograph of all winners by switching
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
camera?
Yeah.
Please, I request all the winners to
I
please switch on the
request
camera.
all the winners to please turn on their camera so that we can have a group photograph, virtual group photograph. I request.
Actually, there is one more suggestion from my side, that after this photograph, after the vote of thanks, I request all the participants to please stay back, and I will request the IT support. It's a humongous task, but if you can make everyone panelists, we will have a beautiful screenshot of all the participants together, which also we will share with them on the mail. That will be a very good memory for everyone. Whoever can switch on the cameras, please switch on the cameras.
Ma'am, I suppose there is some technical glitch with IT support because I am now the host. So I am turning on the attendees. I'm making them the participants. I'll try to make maximum.
पहले अभी जो भी है panelists उनका कर लेते हैं. I request everyone who are now the panelists to please switch on the camera so that we can have a photograph and then all the participants. We can do that after the vote of thanks. Others are unable to. Supriya, Roy, Khushbu is unable to. Smita, you are unable to switch on your camera? Please switch on your camera. Khushbu is, yeah, Khushbu is there. Good. And
I request
Smita
Mrs. Smita, Ms. Supriya to please turn on their cameras if possible.
And there is one 8B7C0 OE6E. Who is that?
No, ma'am. Actually, I'm promoting other attendees to panelists so that we can have a group photograph.
अभी कर रहे हैं कि vote of thanks के बाद करेंगे?
But it will take time to promote, so I have started.
अच्छा, you have started. So can we start the vote of thanks now?
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah, Dr. Lucy, present your vote of thanks. Till that time, she will convert everyone to panelists and we will have a group photo.
Sure, ma'am. So I do hope that I'm audible to everyone.
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you, Pranati ma'am, and thank you, Professor Dr. Sunila Dhaneshwar ma'am, for providing me with this chance to offer this official vote of thanks. So a warm and graceful good evening to everyone gathered over here on this online platform. I'm Dr. Lucy Mahapatra, and sharing the position of organizing secretary of this two-day conference on emerging challenges and advances in neuroscience, along with Dr. Rahul Kumar Maurya sir. And we are privileged to propose the official vote of thanks and would like to acknowledge the contribution of all those who worked really hard to make this conference to happen. Firstly, we would like to express our gratitude to all the revered dignitaries, the Honorable Founder President, Sir, esteemed C6 Sir, Dr. Asim Chauhan, Chairman, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow campus, Honorable VC Ma'am, Professor Dr. Malvinder Sukla, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, Dr. Kamar Rahman Ma'am, and of course, our beloved and esteemed Pro Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Dr. Sunil Dhaneswar Sir, for sharing their blessings and best wishes and support to organize this conference and bring this to its success today. Let me tell you all that this type of event cannot happen overnight. The wheels start moving about almost at least a month ago, requiring proper planning and bird's eye for details. Hence, I don't want to miss the opportunity to thank our Honorable HOI Ma'am, Professor Dr. Sunila Dhaneshwar, Director, Amity Institute of Pharmacy, Deputy Dean Research, Science and Technology, Amity University, Uttar Pradesh, for keeping that wheel running and having her eyes for each and every detailing pertaining to this particular conference. Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening our minds and showing us the path to organize this event the way it should be. We would also thank the revered chief guest, Professor Dr. S.K. Kulkarni, sir, and other esteemed speakers of this event, Dr. Richie Williams, sir, Professor Dr. Sai Ram Krishnamurthy, sir, Professor Dr. Rajesh Kumar Goyal, sir, Dr. Hassan Tohid, sir, Dr. Subha Sukla, ma'am, for adoring this event with their valuable talks. We also thank Dr. Sanjita Das, ma'am, Dr. Sambit Kumar Parida, sir, Professor Dr. Neeraj Misra, sir, and Dr. Alok Sukla, sir, for their contribution as judge for the oral presentation competition under various tracks. We would extend our deepest sense of gratitude to all my fellow colleagues as active and dynamic members of different committees for their endless efforts and their willingness to complete their works, the allotted duties under different committees beyond their comfort zones and bringing this conference to this level. I thank you all. Our sincere thanks also goes to Mrs. Pranati Srivastava, ma'am, the MC of this two-day event, for her outstanding and commendable anchoring and controlling the event on this online platform. Thank you, ma'am. Special thanks goes to the IT support team from Amity University, Noida and Lucknow campus, especially to you, Maksud Ali sir, if you are there right now with us on this platform, for making this event run successfully on this online platform, Zoom, because of your rock solid support system. Thank you, sir. Our sincere thanks also goes to all the attendees, because without you, all this event was going not to be happening the way it had happened. Lastly, I would like to thank Dr. Rahul Kumar Maurya, sir, to be a supportive colleague and allow me to work with him for these days, I would say, for this particular event comfortably. Thank you all once again. If I have missed thanking anyone on this platform, kindly pardon me for that. Thank you, Almighty, and thank you, everyone, for making this event a huge success. Thank you.
I would request, thank you, ma'am, for presenting vote of thanks. I would request the panelists, those who have been promoted to panelists, to please switch on their cameras so that we can have a group photograph quickly. I request Ms. Shruti Srivastava, Mr. Siraj Alam Siddiqui, Mr. Pragyandeep sir, Dr. Shivani Desai, Mr. Abhinandan Paul. If possible, please switch on your cameras so that we can have a group photograph in a gallery view.
Now in gallery view, how many can be adjusted? Is it like next page? All can, I think all cannot come in one go.
No, ma'am.
IT support, can you help us in that?
Ma'am, I am only the IT support presently.
Because I mean, there are more than 133 participants and panelists are 20, so at least 150 of them. How do they do it?
Ma'am, only 12 can.
अच्छा, चलो कोई बात नहीं, इन्हीं का ले लो. I had seen that everyone switching on their camera in some other conference. I don't know.
I request Kamyadev Verma, Dr. Shivani ma'am, Abhinandan Paul.
At least the screen should be full. At
Yeah.
least the screen should be full.
Mrs. Smita Kakkar.
IT support, आप भी आपका कैमरा ऑन करिए.
Abhinandan, can you please turn on your camera?
मकसूद जी, आपका कैमरा भी ओपन करिए. चलिए.
Archana, can you please put on your camera? Yeah. Yeah, thank you, Archana. And I request, if possible, Smita ma'am, Shivani ma'am, to please turn on the camera and IT support also. We can have a quick some screenshots. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. And Nimisha ma'am joined late. Yeah, Shivani ma'am. We can have some more photographs, yeah, right?
I'm so sorry.
I am also
No
looking
issues.
at this panelist continuously.
I got a call, so I had to go. I'm so sorry, ma'am.
कोई ऑन कर रहा है, कोई स्विच ऑफ कर रहा है. अभी ज्यादा हो रहे हैं लोग, आ रहे हैं. I think they have switched on the camera, but network problem है.
Network issues are there. Yes.
यहाँ पे आज बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो गई है हमारे कैंपस में. कभी भी नहीं होती है. Wi-Fi is so strong here, but today of all the days it is showing its colors.
Yep. We have Dr. Deepti ma'am also with us. Yep. Archana Kumari, Nimisha ma'am, if you can please turn on your camera. Mr. Siraj Alam, Smita Kakkar ma'am, Ayushi Singh, Shruti ma'am.
You want the box is blank, otherwise it won't look nice.
Yeah, this is a nice view. Smita ma'am, Shruti ma'am, IT support, and someone is logged in with the mobile number 8B7C OE6E. Can you please turn on your camera?
Pranati ma'am, sorry to interrupt you, but I would request you to kindly save this photo with me. I'm going to include that in the outcome report.
Yeah.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
I think we should wind up now because the session has to be curtailed. And thank you everyone for your stupendous efforts and your participation. And you can see, all of you can see in the background our beautiful campus, all lit in the night. So there is an open invitation for all those non-Amitians that you have a standing invitation from our side. Whenever you visit Lucknow, do drop in to our campus and visit us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.